So in this video, I'm going to explain how to connect our chatbot to our WhatsApp account. First, I need to go to the dashboard, then to the chatbot page. Then I have to go to the connections tab and click on this WhatsApp and click on the connect WhatsApp button. And of course, I have to go to this link here, which is ultramessage.com. Let's see the website. It is a third-party service that allows us to connect our WhatsApp accounts to any other service, in our case to our chatbot, and it will require $39 per month. Unfortunately, there is no free way to connect WhatsApp to any service, including an AI chatbot. It is paid, and for this service, it's the cheapest online right now. So we're gonna use it. It's only required $39 per month. What you need to do is sign in to your account. I already created an account. What you have to put is just the email, password, and phone number. Then sign in, and then see here. If I click on this icon here, it will redirect me to the instances page inside my UltraMessage dashboard, and I have to create what is called an instance. This is an instance that will allow me to connect my WhatsApp phone number to the chatbot. So I need to click on add instance, then confirm. I already created one, and of course you have to go to the pay button and click on it, then pay for this month. However, right now I didn't pay. I am allowed to test this connection, so right now I am in demo. I think it's for 7 days demo. So let's test. I have to go to manage. Then first I need to copy the instance ID. Copy, then paste it here, paste, and copy the token, then paste it here in UltraMessage token. Save, and here it says that I am connected with the instance number 101340. Which is the same one here. See, 1301340. And the second step is using my mobile app. I'll just have to scan this QR code. Let me do that. Let me open mobile app, then go to link device, then scan code. All right, good. So I am connected to my WhatsApp app. See here, this is my phone number, and I am connecting. So anything I typed inside the chatbot, it will show inside my WhatsApp app. This is the one I'm using. See here, it's the same phone number here. Of course, I can change the logo, the name of the app, the account, and the description. Let's say, for example, here. This is the name of my company. Just have to paste. Done. Now I'm gonna use a personal account. I pretend that I am a client, and I'm gonna call this WhatsApp account. So let me try from my mobile phone. Let me type hello. First, I need to show you here. See here, the channel is only web and Telegram. So I'm gonna type hello. And it shows here, hello, and the AI answer, hi there, how can I help you today, etc. If I refresh here, I have a new account with the same name. See here, it's I think here, yeah, it's the same name and the same phone number, and the channel is WhatsApp. It's not like web or Telegram. It's this one. Here I have, of course, the same messages. So 1 second. Okay, this is the chatbot WhatsApp account, and this is my personal account. So if I type something here, like for example, tell me about your company. Let's see. Instant. See here? The same message here and the same message here. Here it said, Bright Home Solution is dedicated to providing eco-conscious home improvement products that help you create sustainable, etc. So it will give me all the informations that I already have inside the system instructions here, and we can already write some triggers. Let's say, for example, here, whenever the user asks about energy audit improvement recommendation, if I'm using the normal widget.
Yes, Bright Home Solutions offers energy audits to help identify areas where your home can become more energy efficient,
etc. Okay, so let me ask the same question here. Energy audit improvement recommendation or recommendations. Let's see if it will give the same answer. Yeah, an audio. And why it is audio? Because here I have flow energy audits. If I go to flows, energy audits, where is it? Energy audits, this one. Here it's use text to speech and give an audio. That's why. But it's exactly the same answer. Here I have an audio answer, and here in WhatsApp, let's see.
Yes, Bright Home Solutions offers energy audits to help identify areas where your home can become more energy efficient.
Great. Okay, let me try another one. For example, check my order status, generate. Okay, let's try this one. Generate image. Could you provide me with your subject? Solar, Bright Home. Solar panels. Okay. Let's wait. Yeah, generating an AI image will take more time than a simple text. Okay, Bright Home Solution. And if I try the same thing here, unfortunately here I don't have menu inside WhatsApp, but inside the chatbot widget I have one called generate image. So let me try and say generate me an image about, let me fix this, Bright Home Solution, Bright Home solar panels. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Okay, let's wait. Great, see? The same trigger and the same response. Here it gave me here it gave me an image with the revised prompt, and the same thing here. Give me the same image. Let's try something else. Right, here I have our products. I click on it. It will show me, oh yes, this is an embedded Stripe payment checkout iframe. However, in WhatsApp, I cannot use it. If you go here to flow, let me add Stripe checkout node. See here, this is WhatsApp account. But if I choose the UI mode of embedded, see, it doesn't show anymore because I cannot show the checkout inside WhatsApp. The only way is to use hosted mode. The same thing here, for example, buttons. It only works with Telegram and web channels, but not with WhatsApp channels. That's why here I only have 2 icons. So let's try another trigger. Here, home installation. See? Why it's showing this? Home installation. Where is it? Home installation. Allow the user to get information about home installation. Flow called home installation. Okay, home installation. Okay, PDF, then the text. So let's trigger this inside WhatsApp. Let's go back to triggers and see here. Allow the user to get information. It's not informations about installation. So let's type. This is the user account. Give me information about home installation. Okay, shows here. Need to wait a little bit. There. See, this is the PDF, and this is the text. Exactly the one that I have inside the flow. Home installation. This one. This is the PDF, and this is the text. Let me open it inside full screen. Okay. Let me type the same message. Give me information about home installation. No, let me ask again. It didn't trigger that trigger. Also, this is the PDF and this is the text. The same thing here inside WhatsApp. It's exactly the same thing. So if you're gonna connect the chatbot to WhatsApp, it will return the exact same result as if you're talking to it from this widget or from Telegram. However, as I said, some nodes do not support WhatsApp. They only support web and Telegram channels, not WhatsApp. See, for example, text support 3 of them, image, of course, the same thing, video, of course, audio, the same thing, GIF, the same thing. However, here in GIF, you have to click on this WhatsApp stickers. A normal GIF here, like those one will not work inside WhatsApp. You have to click on this one because here it is powered by Tenor, so those will work. Okay, let's, for example, see a trigger that will return GIF. We have one video. Okay, let's try this one. Video green roof. This will show 2 videos. Let's wait a little. One video from YouTube. The other video we already uploaded inside FusionBot, and one GIF. And let's say green roof and search. Where is it? There's nothing here. Okay, this one. And save. Where is it, the trigger for this one? Green roof. Let's go back to triggers. Green roof installation video. When the user wants to see some green roof installation videos. Okay, so here we type show me. Okay, see here, one YouTube video, one uploaded video inside FusionBot, and one GIF. But if I do the same thing here, show me green roofs installation video. Let's wait. Okay, YouTube will show like this, and this uploaded video will show like this, but this one will show as a simple image, not an animation, not a GIF image. So I need to go back inside the flow, then roof here. I have to click again on search, then green roofs, okay, or roof, search, but I need to click on this WhatsApp sticker for WhatsApp. There's not no sticker related to green roofs, but let's just pick this one just for test. Okay, save, then get back and ask the same question. Show me green roofs installation videos. Let's see. This is the YouTube video, this is our video, and this is the sticker. So the only animations that works inside WhatsApp is those type of animations when I click here from Tenor and not from Giphy. All right, what else? So basically that's it. It's exactly the same as this as a web or or Telegram chatbot, except that it is inside WhatsApp. So you can connect with your clients from WhatsApp and answer their question with the help of artificial intelligence. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.